Hello lovelies, it's Ada's Recipes here. How you guys doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm super excited to share with you how to make buns without eggs. Guys, this raw buns you're seeing here was made without eggs, and this is a recipe you want to try, and it's easy to come up with. Within minutes you have this delicious buns recipe. Okay, so continue watching as I will walk you through. The first thing you're going to do is to make sure that you sift your all-purpose flour to get rid of unwanted particles. So after sifting your flour, the next thing you're going to do is to sift your baking powder, add sugar, powdered milk, salt, grated nutmeg, then you combine. The next thing you're going to add is melted margarine. Then you mix very well. Make sure you incorporate the melted margarine into the flour. Next step is to add water, like normal water. Then you mix. So guys, to get that crunchy, rocky, textured type of buns recipe, what you need is a buns consistency or buns dough consistency that is sticky. It has to be sticky but not too watery. So I'm going to show you the consistency you need to achieve that rocky, crunchy kind of buns. So guys, here's the consistency we need. As you guys can see, it's very sticky and a kind of messy, okay? But that is what we want to achieve that crunchy, rocky kind of buns texture, okay? So the next thing you're going to do is to heat up your oil. Then you add your buns dough. Hope you guys are seeing how sticky the buns dough is. So flip over to the other side. You're going to fry this on medium heat. So guys, no worries, I'm going to be leaving the measurement of the recipe in the description, so make sure you check it out. Hope you guys are seeing how crunchy is looking, how rocky is looking, and it was so tasty, guys. So you don't really need egg to achieve this kind of buns texture. Once you have the measurement, you're good to go, and like I said, check the description for the measurement. So once it's golden brown, it's done, then you transfer to a paper towel. So you repeat until you exhaust your buns dough. So guys, are you seeing the texture of these buns? It was so crunchy and tasty. So crunchy and tasty. Crunchy outside and soft inside. And guys, this is the kind of buns you want to make. So if you've not made buns before, just make sure you follow this recipe, like follow this video. You're going to get exactly the result I got. So enjoy while hot, guys. I so much enjoyed these buns with my family. It was so crunchy. I can not overemphasize this. The crunchiness was out of this world, guys. So make sure you check the measurements of this recipe in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.